Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant. In this video, we are going to deep dive into the Drillthrough features in Microsoft Power BI. So let's get started. So basically, this is the master and detail page for the Drillthrough. You will show the visual and summary in the master page. And if you want to see the details, just right click any of those visual. The Drillthrough option is there and click on the details. So it will bring you to the detail page. For that, first of all, you need to create the master page, the master visuals and a master home page, and then you need to create detail page. And in detail, you design the dashboard as you read. And one more thing to notice is, in this page, there is option for the drill through, and in that we have two options. That is cross report drill through. You can keep this as a master report so that you can drill through the detailed report on another report. So keep all filters into keep all the filters. I want to remove this one, everything from this page, and let's go to this master page again. If you right click any of this visual, now you won't see the drill through option here. To enable this option, you need to go to the detail page and you need to drag and drop the piece which is available in the master page to view the detailed page on the drill through option. So I want to just put the month here and category and region. So I want to turn it on, keep all filters on, and only it will sync between the master and the detail page. Let's go back to master page again. Let's click any of these visual and you are now the option of drill through, and if you go to drill through, you have the page named the detail page. Just click on this one. You'll have details of the month of July for this region. I'm going back again, select to some other month, other category. I want to right click this one, drill through details. It will give me the details of this one. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, please click to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification from our channel. If you have any feedback, comments, and queries, please write on the comments below. Your feedbacks and comments are highly valuable to us. Go and check out our channel for more videos and for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.